We're here, Corneil. Come on. Let's warm up those paws of yours.
Oh, look at this cute little guy. Can we pet him? Oh, he's so adorable. Too cute. Is it a girl or a boy? What's his name?
Girls, meet Turbo.
Latest model, fully loaded English Greyhound with premium reinforced chassis and aerodynamic curves.
A lean, mean racing machine. In fact, he's gonna win the K9 Grand Prix this week. 'Cause, like dog, like master, he lives to win.
Oh. Lean, mean machine, huh? Well, I hate to brag, but Corneil here's a regular, real racing rocket.
A rocket? Who? Mommy Smoochy Poochie Woochie? What do you say to a little race then?
Okay!
Honestly, Bernie, I hate running.
Don't tell me you're chickening out. Smoochy Poochie Woochie. Corneil, you've got to do it. Our honor's at stake.
Ready when you are. On your marks. Get set. Go! Turbo! No! Turbo! Come on, boy! Wake up! Oh, what a ripoff! This dog is useless! Corneil! 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 Corneil!
You won, Corneil! Hip, hip!
Hooray!
You were so right, Romeo. Like dog, like master.
Your mutt got lucky, that's all. He'd never beat Turbo again. Ever!
That's studying him, Romeo.
Okay, pop quiz. Find the sore loser in this picture.
Bernie, you're so funny.
You're the loser, and so is your dog.
Oh, Bernie, you can't let him get away with that. What you say is what you are. Oh! Hey, Romeo! Nice scarf. Too bad it's not winter yet.
Here you go, Corneil. A little nourishment, then a good night's sleep, and tomorrow you'll be as good as Turbo. I mean, as good as new.
Thanks, Bernie.
Don't thank me, Corneil. You were awesome today. I'm really proud of you.
Get up, lazy bones!
Time for breakfast! You're gonna need all your energy today.
What do I need all my energy for, Bernie?
For the K9 Grand Prix!
Watch my chops. Bernie, there is no way I'm running in the K9 Grand Prix. You've had your fun. Now just drop it.
Come on, Corneil! We have to show them your stuff! Why be such a wimp? I can make you a real champion! Sorry, Bernie. I've shown quite enough of my stuff. I've got nothing to prove to anyone. But Corneil! No buts, Bernie. Nothing will convince me to run again. But nothing whatsoever.
Bernie, could we ask a favor? We'd like Corneil to wear the Lost Animal Society logo on his racing vest. It's such a good cause, and the K9 Grand Prix is the perfect occasion to pump up the LAS.
Sorry, Martha, but Corneil's retired from racing. He can't be bothered with good deeds. He's just gonna sit around in his basket.
So he'll wear it then.
Thanks, Bernie. That's great! Yes, Bernie, what you're doing for the LAS is amazing! Woo! So, I guess you've changed your mind?
How could I refuse to run for such a noble charity? The protection of poor, helpless animals. Come on, Bernie. It's time I got into training.
All right, then. I'll coach you, Corneil. First, no more rides in the basket. Here, eat this. Okay, let's go. Bernie, are you sure we can start tomorrow? I need time to digest. You think they've got time to lie around down at the LIS Animal Shelter? You're right, Bernie. We're off. Bye, girls. See you tomorrow. You were awesome today, Corneil. Here you go. A little gift from the girls. What is it, Bernie? You are so gonna win tomorrow, Corneil. And thanks to you, the LIS will be famous. Hey, ya loser! How's things, champ? Ho! And here's the racing rocket. What a machine! And this? What's this? The horn? Hey, Romeo! This wheelbarrow looks just like your dog. Oh yeah? Turbo set a record for 0 to 40 miles an hour in 3 seconds flat. Keyword, flat. Corney's gonna wipe up the racetrack with your dog tomorrow. Oh yeah? What say we see about that right now? Well, I really didn't want to humiliate you, but if you insist. First one to the cars wins. Out of the way, out of the way. Bernie, on your marks. Get set, go! Corneil, why are you?
See you tomorrow, loser boy.
What is the matter with you, Corneil? Bernie! Turbo hits 42 miles an hour in 3 seconds flat. My personal best is 11. What? 11 miles an hour? After all the work I put into your training? You're kidding! It's my legs, Bernie. They're too short. Look, I can't even touch my nose. And just look at the size of my nose. I can't see a thing. Bernie, where are you? But that means we're done for? My life is over. The girls won't even look at me now. Girls, girls, girls! What about the poor little animals down at the LIS? Have you thought about them? Yeah? Well, what about you? Do you ever think about me? Ernie, yes, I think about you all the time. Eureka! Bernie, I've invented a technique to increase the length of my strides while I lower my heart rate, thereby controlling my core temperature and avoiding ventricular hyperexertion. Does that mean you can beat Turbo?
In theory, yes.
But there's a risk. Unless I maintain perfect focus on my heart rate and physical movement, my back will bend in places it shouldn't. And here comes our last place compare. Corneil! Corneil! Woo! The Lost Animal Society's entry. Oh boy! Who let this guy into the race? I guess there's no height requirement today. Alright, Corneil. Time to make your move. Wait! What the? The dog from the LAS seems to be doing some sort of dance! He's crazy! He'll never win doing that. This is unbelievable! Elias is catching up with the pack! He's going to pass! Elias is now running second! He's gaining on the number 5 dog, but number 5's blocking. Incredible! Elias passes the number 5 dog on the left! Woo-hoo! But wait! Number 5 matches the Elias dog's move! No! Turbo! You can't attempt it! You'll hurt yourself!
Yeah! Turbo! Go! You're the best!
Oh my, oh my! This is terrible! The number 5 dog has missed the last turn! Poor Turbo. He wasn't prepared for the dynamic pressure.
No!
The Elias dog is trying a new move, but he's lost his stride, or whatever that was, and he slips to last place. This is terrible. I can't look. Hot dogs, hot dogs. Who wants a nice, juicy hot dog?
I do, sir! I do!
Yes? Sir, are you okay? Oh no, it can't be. Answer me. Help! Is there a doctor in the house? Oh my, oh my! This is terrible! There's a hot dog man over the rail!
Ah!
What a scene! The dogs have all thrown themselves onto the hot dog man, except Elias, who stays focused and wins the race! The Elias wins! Woo! Woo! Corneil! 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 Corneil!
No!
Woo! Bernie, just promise me one thing. That you'll stop me from trying to run any more races, even if it's for a good cause. Oh, come on, Corneil. This could be the start of a brilliant career. Watch my chops, Bernie.
No way!